Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Around the back we have 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLB 250 badging, power opening and closing trunk. It says third row seats here. Easily fold downable for a little extra storage. And we have our rear seats here. And third row seats. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, and driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 2,400. We have a push-button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio, and backup camera, shifter, climate controls, and center console. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.